In a quiet little town, Emma opened her bakery with one goal: to make the world a little sweeter. At first, it was just her, baking away, no customers. But on one rainy afternoon, a young girl walked in, cold and hungry. Emma handed her a warm cookie, and the girl smiled. The next day, more people came. They didn't just come for the pastries. They came for the warmth that filled the air. Emma's bakery became the heart of the town, where every bite was made with care. Emma's secret ingredient wasn't just in her recipes. It was in the love she shared with every customer. Emma's Bakery, where every bite brings a little extra love.
Hey there, creators! Ready to whip up a jaw-dropping whiteboard animation that'll hook your audience? Let's jump into this fun, step-by-step adventure to make your story pop. Step 1. Let's nail that voiceover. You want a voice that grabs attention and sets the mood. Record your own, or my personal fave. Use 11 Labs for a supernatural pro-level voice. Curious how it works? I've got a tutorial link waiting for you in the description. Next up, fire up Canva and create a new design. I'm rolling with YouTube Shorts dimensions for that bold, vertical vibe. But you, pick whatever size fits your project's style. Now, let's get creative with some AI-powered graphics. Head over to Canva's Apps section and search for the Magic Media app. This is where the fun begins. Open the graphics panel. It's like an AI image generator with a twist. You can pick styles to match your vision. For whiteboard animations, the hand-drawn style is pure gold, charming and sketchy. But hey, feel free to experiment with other styles for a vibe that's all you. Let's listen to the opening line of our voiceover to spark some inspiration.
In a quiet little town, Emma opened her bakery with one goal: to make the world a little sweeter. At first, it was just her, baking away, no customers.
For our first scene, we need 2 stars. A cozy bakery bursting with warmth and a female baker with tons of personality. Jump into Magic Media and type simple prompts like cozy bakery or smiling female baker. Generate a few options. Not quite right? Keep tweaking until one steals your heart. Found a winner? Hit generate more like this to lock in that look. Want to add some extra flair? Toss in fluffy clouds or a glowing sun. First scene? Done. Add a new page in Canva and keep the creative juices flowing. Now that you know your bakery's vibe, get specific with your prompts to craft more graphics that fit the mood. Repeat this to build all your scenes. It's honestly so much fun. Once your scenes are ready, export all pages as PNG files. Then start a new Canva design with the same dimensions. Import each PNG onto its own page, setting the stage for some animation magic. Now upload your voiceover audio and drop it at the bottom of the timeline. Adjust each scene's duration to sync perfectly with the voiceover's rhythm. Here's a pro trick. Move the selector to the end of each scene, rewind 2 seconds and split the scene. Trust me, you'll see why in a second. Back to the apps section. Search for the SpeedPainter app. This is where your sketches come to life. It's got 2 settings, sketch duration and color fill. I love a quick sketch duration to hook viewers right away. Select your first image, set the timings to match the scene's length, and hit generate. Watch your drawing unfold like it's being sketched in real time. So cool. Enlarge the video to fill the canvas, then add a silky dissolve transition between the animated sketch and the static image. Preview your first scene. Looking awesome, right? Before we tackle the next scene, add a slide transition between pages. It's like flipping to a fresh whiteboard. Super dynamic. Mix up the transition directions to keep things fresh. Repeat the SpeedPainter and transition steps for all your scenes. Now let's set the mood with music. Open the audio panel and hunt for the perfect track. For our bakery story, I'm vibing with an elegant French tune. Think cozy Parisian cafe. Lower the music volume so it hugs the voiceover, not overpowers it. Hit preview and watch your masterpiece come to life.
In a quiet little town, Emma opened her bakery with one goal: to make the world a little sweeter. At first, it was just her, baking away, no customers. But on one rainy afternoon, a young girl walked in, cold and hungry. Emma handed her a warm cookie, and the girl smiled. The next day, more people came. They didn't just come for the pastries. They came for the warmth that filled the air. Emma's bakery became the heart of the town, where every bite was made with care. Emma's secret ingredient wasn't just in her recipes. It was in the love she shared with every customer. Emma's Bakery, where every bite brings a little extra love.
Tweak anything that needs a little love, and you're ready to share your vibrant, captivating whiteboard animation with the world. You've got this. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.